Hey, who's ready to make a Among Us sculpture? These are such cute little characters. So I have a little handout you can use to learn how to draw the Among Us character, sketch it out, decide on what accessories you want. You're going to need some model magic, some paper towel, and some tin foil. So the first thing you're going to do is wad up the paper towel, and then you're going to cover it with tin foil. And this is called making an armature. Now you can see I ripped the tin foil apart at the bottom to make the legs. You don't want to let them get too long. Mine are probably a little longer than I want them, but it's okay. I'll make it work. So then if you want to add stuff like the thing that's in the front of the character and the little box that's in the back. I don't play this game, so I don't know your words. But rip up your tinfoil a little bit so you can get a smaller piece. You want to make, a little oval that's going to go on the front of the character. And then to attach it, what you do is you lay it on there. You get another piece of tinfoil, and you just wrap it around the piece you just attached. So since my legs are a little long, I'm going around the bottom and up around the top. And then you just kind of smush it on. And you don't want to smush this so hard that it's, super firm. You want to keep that texture on it because that will help the model magic stick. So now I'm doing the same thing. Again, I'm making a bigger piece for the back. And I'm going to put another piece around it to make it stay on there. And then I'm going to put another piece around it, go in the other direction to make it stay on there. And next I'm going to get my model magic out. So when you open your model magic, you want to open it so that you have a flat piece for the wrapper. You want the wrapper to be opened up flat because you're going to be flattening your model magic on to make a slab of model magic. And so here I'm just using the rest of my tin foil and opening this model magic up, and I want to squish it for a while, get it nice and soft. And now I'm taking it in my hands and just getting it all patted out. I'm not pounding the table. And now that it's a nice kind of a pancake, you're going to wrap it around, and I started by wrapping it in the front so the seam is in the back, and I'm just squishing it, smoothing it, and you're just putting a thin layer of model magic around your armature. And then you want to just kind of work with it. You don't want it to be all fingerprinted, so you can rub it on the table, gently rub it with your fingers to smooth it out. And then once you get it to this stage, you want to make sure that it will stand on its own. It cannot fall over. You got to have it able to stand on its own. Now I'm going to make my little accessory. You can see I made a hat for my other guy, and he's having a hard time standing up. And so I've decided to make toilet paper. So I'm just putting my pencil on the inside, rolling it up so it looks like toilet paper. And then I also made a piece of cheese.